Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. 8th chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Operations on them. Now, to study the algebraic expression, first we have to study what is coefficient, variable and term. Now, students, the numbers are known as your coefficient and variables, the letters are known as your variables. Clear? And when we are writing the coefficient and variable together is known as your term. Now let's see what is algebraic expression. Now an algebraic expression is made up of one or more numbers, variables and operations. A variable is later used in a algebraic expression. So how you will get your algebraic expressions? When we are writing our numbers means coefficient and letters means variables together, we will get our algebraic expression. Clear? Now here you can see your algebraic expression, that is 4m and minus 15p. So here 4m and minus 15p is known as your term. Clear? So when an algebraic expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called a term. Clear? Now we have written 4m and 15p directly, means which operation is between 4m and 15p, that is multiplication. Now let's see how you will write down the coefficient and variable of the given term. Now here the term is given 11mn. So your coefficient will be 11 and variable will be mn. So like this you have to write down the remaining one. Clear? Now further we will see the types of algebraic expressions. Now students, there are the four types of algebraic expression. First one, that is if there is only one term, that is known as your monomials. Clear, students? And if there is a two term, means if there is a two term, it is known as your binomial. And if there is a three term given, is known as your trinomial. And if there is more than three terms, are known as your polynomials. Now further, let's see what is like and unlike term. Now first of all we will see like term. Like term means, students, you have to see your variables. If the variables are similar, it means the given term is your like term. Clear? You have to just see your variable, don't see your coefficient. Understood? Now let's see unlike term. Unlike term means the variables are different. In unlike terms, your variables are different, that is known as your unlike term. Clear, student? As you can see in this slide, it is given 2xy and 1 minus 1x square y. Now here the variables are not similar, it means it is your unlike term. Now let's see practice set 32. Student, classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomials. Now here we have to identify the following terms. Now see the first one. It is given 7x. Only one term is given, means it is your monomial. So here you will write down 7x. Now here 5y minus 7z. How many terms are there? 2. 1, 2. 2 terms are there. So it is your binomial. So 5y minus 7z. Clear? Now in the third one, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there, means it is your trinomial. So here we will write down 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. Clear? And the fourth one, 4 terms are given. So it is your polynomial. So here we will write down minus 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. Clear, students? So like this you have to do. Understood? Now again, next one, 5m minus 3. 2 terms are there. So it is your binomial. So here we will write down 5m minus 3. Clear? Only one term is given, so it is your monomial. Again only one term is given, so it is your monomial, 4. And 3 terms are given, means it is your trinomial. So 3y square minus 7y plus 5. Clear? So like this you have to classify your algebraic expression. Now let's see practice set 33. Student, add horizontally and vertically. Now here we have to add your algebraic expression horizontally as well as vertically. So let's first solve by horizontally. So how you will do? Now what you have to do in the first step is you have to write down your like terms together. Like terms means when the variables are similar. Clear? Now here 17a square b square. Clear? Minus this 28a square b square is the like terms with 17a square b square. Why? Because the variables are similar, a square b square b square. So minus 28a square b square. Clear, students? Now we have to take this plus 16c and this plus 28c. Clear? C are the same, so it is your like terms. Now what we have to do? We have to add or subtract our like terms. So 17a square b square minus 28a square b square. So what you will get over here? You will get that is 11a square b square. Now 28 is the bigger number, 28 having the sign minus sign. So here also you will give a minus sign. Clear? Now plus will be plus 16 plus 28. What you will get over here? Here plus sign will come. So what you will get over here? 16c plus 28c you will get, that is 44c. Now can you add this further? No, because the variables are different. Clear? So your answer is minus 11a square b square plus 44c. Clear? Now see how you will do in vertical arrangement. Clear? How you will solve this algebraic expression in vertical arrangement. Now what you have to do while doing in vertical arrangement, then also we have to write down our like terms together. That is 17a square b square plus 16c. So how you will write down? You will write down minus 28a square b square and here you will write down plus 28c. Clear? You have to write down your like terms together. Understood? One and here see what you will do now. 16 plus 28 you will get, that is 44c plus, now b square will come as it is, a square will come as it is. Now here 17 minus 28, what you will get? Minus 11. Clear? So like this you have to solve your algebraic expression. Like this you have to add your algebraic expression in both horizontal as well as vertical. This one is your horizontal arrangement and this we have solved in vertical arrangement. Clear? Thank you.